Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Theoriq Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop step by step, so keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. Now, let's get started. First, if we check out their profile on CryptoRank website, they have raised more than $12 million in funding. Also, if we look at their supporters, they have many big names like Hashkey Capital, Hack VC, BitScale Capital, and much more. Also, if we look at their profile on X platform, they have almost 450k followers, which means they have a good reputation. Now, if you want to join Theoriq Airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. You will land on this page, and first you need to connect your wallet. So click on Connect Wallet and choose any one of those wallets. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then they will show you another message to add the OP mainnet network to your wallet, so click on Approve. And finally, they will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Next, you need to connect your social media account. Let's start with the first one. You will land on this page, so click on Authorize App on the left side. Then let's connect the Discord account. You will be redirected to this page. Just scroll down a little bit and click on Authorize, and you will be redirected back to the dashboard. And to make the process a little bit easier, let's turn on the desktop site mode. And as you see, there are only 4 tasks that you need to complete. Let me show you how to complete the first one, verify on Discord. You will land on this page, so click on Accept Invite. Then you will land on this page. Just zoom in a little bit and click on Verify on the left side. They will show you this message, so click on Verify. Then they will show you another message, so click on Next. And type inside this box the CAPTCHA that you have just seen in the previous image. Then click on Submit. And if we go back here, let's complete the next task. Follow their account on X platform. And if we go back to the dashboard, as you see, we have completed all these tasks. It was pretty simple, so don't miss this opportunity to make some money. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon, guys. Good luck.